when I was working at the Calgary drop-in center. This lady came down and she was really distressed. She was crying. She really wanted to take a shower. She had to shower for a week. We were so short-staffed, there was no way. It was just brutal to see that we are not able to provide that service for someone. My name is Bill. I'm a second-year nursing student, a staff at a homeless shelter, a harm reduction outreach worker, hospital security guard, managing director of Radicare Ventures, and I'm the co-founder of Radicare Calgary. The fact that I had to access social services myself means that I was on the other side. I know the pain of lining up to get to the food bank. Growing up, it wasn't easy. My mom, she had schizophrenia. I actually legally was designated her personal decision maker. When I just turned 18, I had to rush mom to emerge, and we had to do a quite risky surgery. And I remember the surgeon telling me all the options. She was just like, it's your decision. I remember feeling so disheartened. I'm like, dude, I'm 18. I'm making this life and death decision on behalf of my mom, and I'm getting no support. It influenced absolutely everything that I'm doing right now, the approach I have. Radicare Calgary is a nonprofit organization that serves people experiencing structural vulnerabilities. We are a responsible system disruptor. Our sister company, we hire people who have employment barriers, and we train them to deliver property maintenance and cleaning. When I found out that I was one of the 5 recipients for the Rising Legend, I was beyond thrilled. When we got $50,000 from Mazda Canada, now we have some actual substance to play around with. So one of the ideas that was floating around was a mobile hygiene unit. This targets people experiencing homelessness who are needing a place to access safe and accessible showers. In the future, I really want to be working in public policy, creating systemic change. In Canada, we're just beginning to realize the importance of mental health. There's a lot of different opportunities for young people. Do not let anyone say that you're too young to start anything.